Very good morning, children. Today we will discuss the topic of health. Health is wealth. Please repeat.
Health is wealth.
What is health, Ranjita?
Health is about being physically, mentally and emotionally fit.
Will we always be healthy?
No, madam. Sometimes we will suffer from cold, cough, fever.
Yes, these are common infections, but there are also some diseases which can lead to death. Can you think of any such diseases?
Cancer, heart attack, hepatitis, AIDS, madam.
Very good. Among these diseases you have mentioned, do you know which is the most dangerous?
AIDS, madam.
Very good. Yes, that is correct. Today our science teacher will explain a little bit about AIDS. AIDS is one of the greatest health problems facing the world today, and no one is immune to it. Everyone should know the basic facts of AIDS. Statistically, India has the second highest number of reported cases of HIV/AIDS.
What is AIDS, madam?
AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. AIDS is a medical condition. People develop AIDS because HIV damaged their natural deficiency against disease.
What does HIV mean, madam?
Human immunodeficiency virus.
What are the symptoms of AIDS, madam?
Good question. I will explain briefly about the symptoms, progress and the way AIDS spreads through charts. About the symptoms, that HIV infected people suffers from diarrhea, fever, loss of weight. The HIV infection usually progresses to AIDS in an average of 10 years. Now this very important chart you are going to see is about the different ways the disease can spread. Through intravenous drug use from an HIV infected mother to her child. Through infected blood, through a sexual relationship with someone who is HIV infected.
Is it important to stay away from AIDS patient, madam?
No, Ranjita, this is misconception in our society. This cannot be transferred by eating together, by using toilet, by mosquito bites, by shaking hands.
How can we find out that a person is HIV infected, madam?
Good question. There is a test called ELISA through which we are able to know if a person is HIV infected or not.
Is there any medicine for the treatment of AIDS, madam?
Yes, there are some medicines, but there is still no way to cure AIDS. Prevention is the only cure.
What are the precautions people should follow to avoid coming in contact with HIV?
Very good and important question. Now I will show you charts of some preventive measures. Mutually faithful single partner relationship. Use sterile syringes and needles. Be sure that for transfusions all blood is HIV free blood. Prevention is the only cure. The Government of India established a national AIDS control program which was managed by a small unit under the guidance of the Health and Family Welfare Department in all the states. Additionally, with the help of the Education Department, they have a Red Ribbon Club in every government high school where there are trained teachers like our science teacher who provide adolescent education to 9th and 10th standard students. So finally, I want to give a message to you, the children of today. My humble request is that you please develop good values and provide awareness